Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your monitor lists HDR10 or Dolby Vision and pick an HDR-capable input. Connect using an HDMI 2, 0/2, 1 or DisplayPort 1. 4+ cable into the GPU output that supports HDR. Once done, update your graphics drivers and the operating system. Drivers enable color formats and metadata transfer. Make sure Windows or your OS build supports HDR. Now move to the display and system settings so you can enable the feature. Don't skip driver updates. They often fix You'll now enable HDR within the operating system and apps. Open display settings, identify the HDR-capable monitor, and enable Use HDR or Play HDR games and apps. This lets the OS send HDR metadata. Then choose a 10-bit color output or highest color depth option so you get the expanded luminance range. Make sure HDR content or apps are set to allow HDR playback. On your monitor, switch to its HDR or game/video mode to apply internal tone mapping. After this, confirm color profiles and refresh rate remain supported. You finish by validating HDR with known HDR video or a supported game. Observe improved highlights and deeper shadows. If you see banding, crushed blacks, or washed colors, adjust the color depth to 10-bit. Experiment with chroma subsampling settings like 4:4 versus 4:2:2 and toggle your monitor's dynamic range or HDR tone mapping modes. Once done, restart the GPU driver or system to reset the handshake. If problems persist, swap cables or ports. Faulty cables often break the HDR negotiation. Try a different HDMI/DP certified cable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.